How to share your previous site or your live site to other people on Wix. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now this is going to be basic and very simple, and there are going to be two things that I'm going to actually show you. First is if you did publish your site, and the second one is if you didn't yet publish your site and you want people to also preview your site. Okay, sorry I had to sneeze, but the second thing is if you did not publish your site yet and you want people to see it, maybe for feedback and stuff. So we can show you both ways. So let's start with first going to edit site and opening up our site editor just to showcase something real quick. Let's just wait for it. So now that we're in the site editor, obviously we just want people to see the section of the site without having to edit and stuff. So the first method is if you actually did publish your site. If you did publish your site, and if you don't know how to, you just open up your site editor and click on publish on the top right. Once you do that, you can actually go and click on view site here, and if it does not show up for you because maybe you have don't show this again, you can just click on publish one more time. Sorry, you didn't have to click on publish, you just had to click on view site. If you scroll over publish, you will see view site, and if you click on view site, this is actually going to show up, and this is what you want to send out to people. This is going to be pretty much your site, and you can share it with others so that they can just, open this up. I'm just going to open it up in a different browser real quick just to show you how it's actually going to look like. You do that, and you can actually see that they are going to open up your site. So yeah, this is the first way if you already did publish your site. Now let's just go and talk about the second way if you did not publish your site yet and you want to have some feedback. So all you have to do really is just go and quit out of the editor. We don't really need this to be open. We just wanted to go to the main dashboard for our Wix website. And I know, by the way, it says Wix Studio on the top left, but this is, as you can see, for the default Wix, not for Wix Studio. So just go and click on, you see edit site from the top right, you see these three dots right next to it. This is the one that we need to click on. So just go and click on that. And then the thing that we want is get client feedback. It should be right down here. So just go and click on get client feedback. And by the way, both methods, they're not actually going to allow people to edit your site. They're only just going to be able to view it. Now with this, you can either send it by email, so you can just add their email address in here and a message, or you can just feel free to copy the link and send it out to them with whatever, email, WhatsApp, whatever it may be. So I just got the link, and if we just paste the link up here on a new browser, by the way, it's going to look a little something like this. So here's the thing, they can actually go ahead and view the site. But not only that, they can also view it in mobile view. And if they want to leave you feedback, they can also click on add comments from the top right in order to add some comments about your site and add feedback. So this is all going to be different ways to show the preview of your site with others. Hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.